how do you hit a word. And it's actually a very easy card game. So here's the rule. So if you're gonna play with a joker in the game, joker's the highest card, then it's an ace, then it's a king, then it's a queen, then it's a jack, then it's a 10, then it's a 9, then it actually goes all the way to 2. So then first you shuffle the deck. And my brother's supposed to shuffle it, so he'll shuffle it. You can shuffle it 5 or 4 times, or 3 maybe. First you give the card to your opponent first. Then you give a card to you second. And until you're out of the deck, you keep passing out the cards. So first, you just take one card from the very top, then you flip it over. Then remember, a joker can always beat every card. So, and then whoever has the highest card gets to keep the cards. Whoever wins. Then you get another card, and you flip. Then and a coin is also one of the highest cards, but I can't give me a coin. Then we just keep it playing until whoever has the most cards, or whoever ran out of cards first. Whoever has the most cards at last wins. Whoever runs out of cards first. So if we both draw the same card, like if we both have a J, like a jack, and then we do I declare, and then when it says war,
declare,
and then when you say war, you gotta see who has the highest card. Then whoever has the highest card gets to keep all the cards.
You keep my jack, joker. I declare war.
So if one of your we keep going until one of your opponents say stop. When they decide to say stop, then whoever has the most cards wins the game. That's it.
I declare war.
We're on? fun fact, did you know that playing cards were invented in China?
Before it reached Europe.
Hello everybody, today we're gonna show you how to play I Declare War, and today hello everybody, today we're gonna show you how to play I Declare War. So first it's just